Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Sri Lankan fruit salad. To begin, gather your fresh, ripe tropical fruits. Essential choices include 1 large papaya, 1 medium pineapple, 2 ripe mangoes, and 3 to 4 bananas. For extra zest and visual appeal, consider adding 2 oranges, 2 kiwi fruits, or a handful of grapes. We will also prepare a simple, sweet dressing using sugar, water, fresh lime juice, and a touch of vanilla essence. Now let's prepare our fruits. First, carefully peel and dice your large papaya and medium pineapple into uniform, bite-sized pieces about 1 inch. Next, peel your 2 ripe mangoes and cut their sweet flesh into similar cubes. For the bananas, slice 3 to 4 of them and immediately sprinkle with a teaspoon of fresh lime juice. This helps prevent them from turning brown. Finally, peel and segment your 2 oranges, ensuring all the bitter white pith is removed. For the refreshing dressing, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves, forming a clear syrup. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. After cooling, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for a fragrant, bright flavor. With your fruits and dressing ready, it's time to combine them. Gently place all your prepared and cut fruits into a large mixing bowl. Next, pour the cooled, flavorful dressing evenly over the colorful fruit mixture. Using a large spoon, toss everything lightly to ensure every piece of fruit is beautifully coated with the sweet and tangy dressing. For the best taste and a truly refreshing experience, refrigerate your Sri Lankan fruit salad for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy this simple, delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.